How to fix Pop Mart application not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a practical step-by-step tutorial to resolve common issues with the Pop Mart app on iPhone or Android, such as loading failures, error 500 freezes, and network errors using force quits, session resets, network changes, and checkout workarounds. So first of all, you're going to head over to your settings, click on General. If you're using Android, you can do the same. Simply head over to storage and here you're going to search for the application of Pop Mart. So simply search for Pop Mart and here it is. So what you're going to do is simply click on offload app. Click on offload. So it will basically free up storage used by the app but keep its documents. So you're going to simply click on reinstall app and this will reinstall the app and place back all the app data and documents that are still present on this iPhone. Click on reinstall app. Basically, it will reset the application with all the features. So once the application is reinstalled, you can simply open it and you'll be able to see that the application would be working seamlessly. So that is basically how you can fix Pop Mart application not working. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.